What's up, loves? As you can see, your girl Neek is back with another tutorial, and as you can see, I slayed again. So yeah, we're finna go ahead and get in straight into this, y'all. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that. Yeah. Mwah. So loves, I'm back. We finna jump straight into this, y'all, and I'm taking my argan oil, and I'm gonna be taking this protector, y'all, just to put on my hair, just to give it a little shine and protect my hair, because we don't want to fuck up our bundles, baby. These bundles cost money, so no, we're not finna fuck these bundles up. So yeah, go ahead, put that protecting in. Now I'm gonna be taking my new crimplers, y'all, that I found at the local beauty supply store, and you can pick these up. So pick them up. They was $29.99, and they do go all the way up until 430 Fahrenheit. So most definitely pick these up. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking these and just going in and just crimpling my hair, and y'all will see me going back, because I will have to redo this. I realized that it worked better using like either pump it up or Gots to Be, and I did use Gots to Be because I didn't have any pump it up on hands. But y'all, when you crimping your hair, make sure that you use like a holding spray so your crimples can come out better, because baby, what the fuck was I doing here? My crumple was not coming out good. I mean, it was working, but I like for my crumples to pop, so yeah, that's a tip. So go ahead, most definitely take that spray, freeze spray, and then go ahead and crimp. Taking this Got to Be, y'all, and I'm finna just go in and do my edges, lay my edges real quick, cause what's a lace front without those edges laid, baby? We don't want no, 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 no. So yeah, y'all, slay these edges real quick. Then we're going to tie this down so everything can just go ahead and sit in place, y'all, while we get ready to prep and do our face and slay and beat the fuck out of our face, y'all. Because, yeah. So yeah, get into it. Jumping straight into this content, y'all will see me priming, prepping my lips with these shea butter gloss. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And y'all, I did decide to bring some new content, step outside the box with this look. So be sure to stay tuned and keep watching, love. As y'all can see, I was feeling myself and they was playing my song, baby. Do you hear me? Yes. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm taking this Pro Bold clean color palette, and I get this from the beauty supply store, y'all. So picked it up. I think it was $5.99, and I am gonna be going in with this like a highlight green, lime green shade. I'm gonna be taking that and putting that in my inner part of my eyes. I did do this backwards, so I'm gonna go back in, y'all. Y'all will see me showing y'all the colors that I did do for my crease part. And I did take a purple and a blue, and I did mix both of the colors up. So y'all will see me go back in. Right now I'm just prepping my eye and just get my eyelid ready for this beautiful slay, baby. So yeah, I will be taking this purple shade and this blue shade, and we're going to take both colors and mix them up. I did decide to go in with the blue shade first, y'all. So y'all will see me going in with that, and I'm just going to be taking this and just darkening this blue up. And you don't have to darken your blue up if you don't want to, but I like for my colors to show. So that's what the fuck I'm gonna do. So not trying to be rude or anything, but what suits you might not suit me. So yeah. Going up on this blue with this purple, y'all, I'm just going to take this and just intensify this purple up under this blue, and we just want to blend and blend and blend. Taking my blending brush, y'all, just going to go ahead and blend this color out, and you just want to start in the inner corner of the eyes and just blend that out, y'all. And then we're just gonna go lightly up on the eyebrows, because please do not fuck up your brows. Please don't, because baby, then you're gonna have to go back in, redraw that shit, and we don't want to do all of that. So yeah, go ahead, be sure and just take your time and just go ahead and blend it out. Yeah, get up on that brow. Yeah, and then blend, and then we're gonna go up on it and just blend that purple into the blue, y'all. Just blend. I decided to try this new Vaseline trick, and I did pick this up at the Dollar Tree. Y'all will see that in my video that I will be uploading right after this. So I will be taking this Vaseline, y'all, and just going ahead and cutting my crease, because I want that sharp cut crease, baby. Yes, 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 yes. So go ahead, take your time, and just take the Vaseline. And you can use a Q-tip or either a brush. It's totally up to you. But I'm taking this Q-tip, y'all, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut this crease. Taking my NYX eyeshadow white base, y'all. I'm gonna be taking this to prime my inner corner, my inner eye for my lime green shade that I'm gonna be putting on top. So we're gonna go ahead and just start doing this and just working this white into this crease. And most definitely take your time because you want a sharp cut crease. That's the whole part of having a cut crease, baby. Because period, that motherfucker is cut sharp. You hear me? Sharp. So go ahead, take your time, and yeah, do that. Be sure to go back in with that blue and that purple, y'all. We're gonna take that blue and just blend this into this white shadow base just to make sure everything is blended well, because we don't want to do or half step, baby. No. So go ahead, take that blue and then purple, and we're just gonna blend it in, y'all. Taking this lime green, highlight, neon green, whatever you want to call it. We're going to take that, y'all, and get ready to put this in our inner corner of our eyes. And y'all, always before you apply your shadow, make sure that your base is dry, because you don't want to mix your eyeshadow up in your base and your base is kind of still wet and it's going to get messy and it's not going to come out right. So most definitely make sure your base is dry. And yeah, just go in. I always take like my middle finger and just take it and just dab, dab, dab. And just make sure it's just matte and kind of dry. And then I just go ahead and start the process of applying my eyeshadow. Did decide to take this neon green glitter that I got from Walmart, and I will be taking this, y'all, and applying this over this neon with this highlight green eyeshadow base. Eyeshadow what I have on my eyelid, and I'm gonna take that and apply that over that, y'all. And I did take this cheap, I think it's like some glitter glue that I got from the beauty supply store. Y'all, I'm gonna have to think of the name, and I will put it in the description box. below for y'all so y'all can know what glue I'm using. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and apply this glue over our lid, y'all, and then we're just gonna go in with this glitter and apply it. Taking this purple and this blue shade, y'all, just blending it into this green. And just gonna take that and keep blending. Then y'all, we're gonna go in with this makeup wipe remove and just go up on our eyeshadow and make sure we clean everything up sharp and crisp. I did decide I want an exotic look, y'all, so why not try rhinestones, add some rhinestones in there. I did decide to add these, y'all, up under my eye, and I did put some on my eyebrows. I did not include it in this video, y'all, so what you do is just take the glue, just dab a little, and then just take your tool and just take it and just apply your rhinestone. These lashes can be picked up at your local Family Dollar, so most definitely go ahead and pick these up, y'all. These are 3D mints. Taking my Airspun, y'all, just going ahead and set my brows. If you have been watching me, then you should already know what it is. Taking my favorite setting spray out, using this matte setting spray and this face mist that I got at the Dollar Tree. So I will be taking both of these and setting my face, y'all. So get into it. Do you not see? Do you not see the glow? Yes, it's giving everything, baby. Periods. And wait, oh, I ain't through. Yeah, let me go ahead and set my face with these mists, y'all. And by the way, this is cucumber and aloe. And y'all, this shit have your face feeling bummed as fuck. Periods. Get into it. Love, this is the ending of this tutorial. Be sure to thumbs up, comment, share, and drop me some comments below. Let me know what y'all think about this look as well. And most definitely get into it. Get into this look, baby. And y'all, it's giving so much. Cause yeah. And most definitely subscribe to your girl channel if you haven't subscribed already. Most definitely turn those push notifications on. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Mwah.